Remember, before doing any activity, make sure you have permission from an adult to participate and ask them for help if you need it. Also, please check your surroundings and make sure you're in an appropriate location for the activity. Think about the objects and the people around you. Please make sure messy activities are completed outside, in a kitchen, or in another craft area. Most importantly, have fun. Please contact us if you have any questions. Email us at programs@sherwoodforeststl.org or 314-644-3322.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a really great summer so far. I'm going to show you guys how I made these really cool fidget spinners out of construction paper, a toothpick, and a little cardboard. Stick around. First we need to start by cutting our paper into 6-inch squares. So what we're going to want to do is fold our paper in half. Then fold it again lengthwise. Then fold it in half again. And then we're going to unfold it to see the crease. We're here at this point, we're going to fold one of our pieces of paper to the right at the crease. And then we're going to fold our other piece of paper to the left at the crease. When you put them together, they should be opposite. So since I folded the top half to the right, I'm going to fold the bottom half to the left. And the same with this, since I folded this to the left, I'm going to fold the bottom half to the right. And this is how they should look. So once we're at this point, we're going to fold our corners down diagonally. And when you're finished, you should have like this weird looking Z. So once we're here, the way I like to remember it is the one on the bottom should be closed and it should be horizontal or side to side, and the one on top should be open like this, and it should be vertical up and down. I'm going to take my bottom piece or the green piece of paper and I'm going to tuck it in the inside of the blue paper. And then once we have that, we're going to flip it over and do the same thing with the blue to the green. So we're just going to tuck it inside like that. You can flatten it out. Our fidget spinners are finished. We're going to need 2 cardboard circles, and you can cut that out of anything. Once we have our circles cut out, we're going to take our toothpick and we're going to stick it through the middle of our fidget spinner. And you're going to want to be very careful doing this. Like that. Once we have our toothpick through our fidget spinner, we're going to take the super glue in one of our circles and we're going to apply just a little bit, and then we're going to connect it and we're going to allow it to dry. Your glue has dried, you're going to want to clip the toothpick, and you're also going to be very careful doing this. And then you're going to take your cardboard circle and you're going to glue it with the super glue. Your glue has dried, you're going to want to clip the toothpick, and you're also going to be very careful doing this. And then you're going to take your cardboard circle and you're going to glue it with the super glue. And there we go, our fidget spinner.